Okay, so for the continuation of Hannah's report, so why dialect is important? Dialect is important because it helps us to communicate with one another. It helps us identify with one another and understand what we mean when we speak our dialects. It also allows us to identify where we come from and who we are and create an in-depth cultural understanding. Being able to communicate in their dialects can help you build stronger relationships with people from those cultures. By understanding someone's dialect, you can better understand their background and how they view the world. This can help you connect with them on a deeper level and avoid misunderstanding. So, how does a dialect differs? So dialect have a 6 social-linguistic variables. First is the vocabulary. Dialects often have unique words or phrases that aren't used in the standard dialects or other dialects. Example dito yung Bisaya sa Jensan at saka sa Bisaya sa Cebu. May mga words na different both of them pero same ang meaning. Example, what a waste. Sa Jensan, kasayang. Sa Cebu, anugon. Halimbawa, next, another, clothes. Example, sa Cebuano Bisaya, sinina. Tapos sa Jensan Bisaya is bisti. Like that. Next, pronunciation. Dialects can have distinct pronunciation for words. This can involve different sounds used for vowels and consonant, or even the stress placed on syllables within the word. Example, rain. Sa Cebuano Bisaya, ang rain is uwan. Sa Jensan Bisaya naman is ulan. Ulan. Yan. Another example is the person. Sa Cebuano Bisaya is tao, tapos sa Jensan is tao. O, di ba? Next, third is a grammar. Dialects may have variation in grammar rules compared to the standard dialects. Example, sa English, we will meet tomorrow or we will meet tomorrow. Sa standard Cebuano Bisaya is magkita taugma. Like that. So sa Jensan Bisaya is magkita ay taugma. Another example is the did you eat already? Did you eat already? Sa Cebuano Bisaya is nikaon na ka. Sa Jensan Bisaya is nakakaon ka na. Like that. Next is the geography. Regional dialects are perhaps the most common type. People living in close proximity tend to develop shared speech patterns due to frequent interaction. Halimbawa dito sa Jensan, kung paano yung style na paggamit natin ng mga dialect, yun yung gagamitin natin for us na mapadali natin yung pag-communicate natin sa mga tao. 5 is social class. Dialects can be associated with a particular social groups or economic background. For instance, certain vocabulary choices or sentence structures might be more common among specific social classes. And the last is ethnicity. Ethnic dialects can be linked to a particular ethnic group or heritage. These dialects may incorporate words or grammatical structures from the group's ancestral language. Halimbawa dito yung mga dialect ng mga Blaan, Maranao, or Tiboli na kahit hanggang ngayon ay ginagamit pa rin nila yung mga dialects na yon na galing pa sa kanilang mga ninuno. In summary, while both languages and dialects are systems of communication, they differ in scope and mutual intelligibility. Languages are distinct and speakers often cannot understand each other, while dialects are variations within a language that speakers can generally understand. Dialects reflect geographical areas, social groups, ethnicity, or even professions. They offer a unique blend of vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar that contribute to cultural identity and understanding. Recognizing these differences foster appreciation for linguistic diversity and the social factors that influence language.